both L and Light lost to external factors outside their own awareness. So that's how the game theory defined by two absolutists who cannot directly lose, right? They can't just be beaten arbitrarily, like, oh, he just slipped up, oh, he just got lucky. They lose by things they couldn't have been aware of. No way for L to know about Rem's infatuation with Misa. No way for Light to know about Mikami's sort of improvised action in the moment. In fact, Light accounts for the outcome that leads to his defeat, right? Not only does he not need Mikami to write Takeda's name, he goes out of his way to write it on his scrap to remove the need. Again, we're using that term. That's actually the ultimate validation too. Like, he removes the need for Mikami to write the name. Mikami writing the name is what led to his defeat. And so all Mikami has to do is sit in the bathroom and take a shit, and Light wins, right?